Welcome to BookWell. Before connecting bank feeds, authorize your business account to your personal profile first, or the system cannot fetch commercial data. Click Settings on the top menu to enter System Settings. The Settings page is the console for managing permissions. The Data Sharing page controls external software links. Find Access and Feeds, and click Manage Data Sharing to enter the Open Banking dashboard. This page manages multi-entity permissions. Go to Business Customers, and click Manage Data Sharing Delegates to delegate access. Locate the target company, and click Manage, then click the Add Delegate button to begin. Check your personal name, then click Next, and Confirm to submit. Click OK. Got it. Once the success message appears, now you have completed the setup for authorizing the business account to your personal profile. BookWell, live better.